Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Tantan. For that, first of all, open up your Tantan app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see two options: continue with phone number and continue with Facebook. For now, I'm going to continue with my phone number. Enter your phone number and then tap on continue when you're done. Now you'll receive a verification code on your phone. Enter your verification code. You will have to now enter your name and your birth date. Now create a password. You will also have to select your gender. If you are a male, tap on M, and if you're a female, tap on F. After that, tap on continue. Tap on add a photo. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to allow Tantan to access your photo. Tap on OK. Now select a photo that you want to upload. Adjust the photo and then tap on complete. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you want Tantan to access to your location. Tap on OK if you like Tantan to access to your contact, and tap on allow if you like Tantan to send you notifications. If you want to hide from your contacts, tap on hide from your contact and then tap on start playing. This way you can easily sign up on Tantan. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.